chicken for days. So the maths guys, getting this ready for our baby dedication, baby blessing on Sunday, and the bus is fully active, doing what he does best, stick and stay.
Recipe untold in the heat of the kitchen. Hearts will too, stirring dreams in a pot for two. Toss the dogs, let's saute bold. Together we're the recipe untold. From the first taste of what we create, to burnt toast as we still celebrate. Every dish is our melody played. Locking it up, it's never too late. In the heat of the kitchen, hearts collide. Whiskey joy with
Alright, let me get some corn in there, guys.
spices dancing, stories told. Cooking love was more than gold.
Alright, so that, just gonna twist a little bit there. Twist some corn. Yeah, man. If you wanna say roast, you have to do it, yeah, man. Well,
Every dish is a melody play. Locking it up.
yeah. Alright, that's our goat curry, guys. That's our goat meat.
Smoke it burns.
Alright, guys, this is our goat curry. This is our curry goat. Yeah, a little bit, yeah. So I had some onion and green pepper and some thyme and bell pepper, and you know the rest of it. So that is it. We'll eat this, make this one cook. So stay tuned. Remember, you're watching Sabi's Kitchen TV. Come on, so come.
I don't.
Eh?
It does.
Doesn't. Because I didn't get the green, that's that.
Put so much.
Like, not put no money.
Make it too spicy.
Not put no money.
Guys, fully active. We are cooking for our lammies.
With the machine.
We are old people.
The machine.
Oh, jeez.
Not put no money.
Alright, guys. That is some, we're frying some chicken to do brown stew. Yeah, man. So we'll get it fried up nicely. And over here, having some hot, waiting for the oil to get hot, guys, to fry our fish. Yeah, man, that is it, man. Yeah. So we're doing some brown stew, yes. We're doing some fried fish, escovitch fried fish, along with some goat curry. You don't know it, we have to jerk some chicken as well. So stay tuned. All of that you're gonna see. All of that you're gonna see all of that, guys. So stay tuned. It's all coming up. Yeah, man. Alright guys, I'm not doing any stir fry. It's not stir fry I'm doing guys, I'm just preparing some vegetables to put over my fish. I already fried the fish, so I'm making escovitch fish. So these are the vegetables that I'm gonna put over the fish. So stay tuned, I'll show you that as well. Alright guys, our steamed vegetable is ready, so we're gonna get the whole fried fish. Okay, so these are our fish over here. Get the vegetables. Alright, so
Spices dancing, stories told, cooking love worth more than gold. Steam is rising, hearts will too. Stirring dreams in a pot for two.
just getting it over nice and easy.
Toss
Just
the
this.
doubts, let's saute bold. Together with a recipe untold. In the heat of the kitchen, hearts collide. Whisking joy with every stride. Spices dancing, stories told. Cooking love worth more than gold. Steam is rising, hearts will too. Stirring dreams in a pot for two.
Okay, so this is it guys.
Toss
Yeah,
the
this is our
doubts,
fish
let's
finished.
saute bold. Together with
This
a
could be
recipe untold.
fish.
From the first taste of what we
That
create,
is it man.
to
Yeah,
burnt
finished.
toast
Yeah.
days we still
So right
celebrate.
about now we're gonna fry some chicken.
Every dish is our
And we're gonna
melody play.
grill some chicken on the
Lapping
outside,
it
yeah?
up,
Already.
it's never too late.
Light up the drum. So stay
In the
tuned.
heat of the kitchen, hearts collide.
So we're gonna do some fried chicken in this pot. Yeah, the oil is getting hot. So as soon as they are get hot, then show you what's going on. So stay tuned guys.
Tasty boy.
From the first taste of what we create, to burnt toast days we still celebrate. Every dish is our melody play. Lapping it up, it's never too late. Smoky pans and sizzling grease. Love's the secret, the masterpiece. Chop the onions, let 'em weep. Flavors waking, love runs deep.
Yeah guys, we had it again man, we had it again, yeah. Fully active in the ad kitchen today again guys. So as you can see a lot of pots around. Yeah man. Doing some catering. So let me show you what's going on over here. This is the first set of grilled chicken, jerk chicken. Yes, the first set of jerk chicken. Still have some more on the grill, so as soon as them finish, yeah man, we'll get them out. So we have some barbecue fried chicken right here as well, just for the little ones. And then like the spice, and over here we have some escovitch fish, well the grilled chicken. So, and then two pots curry, we have brown stew in that one, and then we have some curry pot in that one.
Steam is rising, hearts will too. Stirring Stirring dreams in a pot for two.
This is all rice and peas. Rice and peas. A big pot, yeah, man, a massive pot of rice and peas. Yeah. So, that is that. We are going to check in back. And there's a chicken on the grill. So what's going on? Show you what's going on as well. Alright. Yeah, man, Alright guys, I've actually finished cooking, so now we are heading to the church where the baby blessing will be taking place, after which we will be going to the hall from there, the reception, where we will be consuming the food that you saw me prepare earlier. So stick and stay, and remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. So we're heading towards the church. We're heading to the church, as I said. Yeah. And from the church we'll be going to the hall to enjoy some delicious food. So yeah, stick and stay, as I said. And remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. So I'm just going to take you along with me on the journey. I'm just going to show you some places as we go along. Just going to try and...
Hearts will too. Stirring dreams in a pot for two. Toss the doubts, let's saute bold, together with a recipe untold. In the heat of the kitchen, hearts collide, whisking joy with every stride. Spices dancing, stories told, cooking love worth more than gold. Steam is rising, hearts will too.